Iman Gadzhi's AI warning. The future is closer than you think. The world is changing fast. AI is not just the future anymore. It's already here. And Iman Gadzhi has been warning us about this for months. He said one of his videos is that AI is already changing the world. It will be magnitude bigger than the invention of the internet. Be prepared. But is anyone actually paying attention? Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your job, your businesses, even your entire sky list has been replaced by artificial intelligence. And it's happening right now. And those who don't prepare, they are getting left behind. Now, the AI disruption. AI is moving faster than anyone expected. We have already seen it replace graphic designers, content writers, and even coders. Think about it. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway AI are doing work that used to take humans years to master. And companies, they are loving it because AI is cheaper, faster, and doesn't ask for a paycheck. Some people see this as a disaster, but others they see it as the biggest opportunity of their life. Now, how Iman Gadzhi is using AI to win. Iman Gadzhi is not scared of AI. He is using it. He is automating parts of his business, scaling his reach and staying ahead of the curve. While others are panicking, he is adopting. He knows that AI is not the enemy. It's a tool that if used correctly can make you rich. So here is the real question. Are you using AI or is AI using you? The future and your next move. The truth is, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. The future belongs to those who adopt, the people who learn AI, control it, and use it for their own success will dominate this new world. And the ones who ignore it, they will be left behind. So, what will you do? Will you take action today or will you wait until it's too late? If you are serious about mastering AI and securing your future, subscribe now. This is just the beginning and the future is coming faster than you think. But here is the thing, AI is not just changing businesses, it's reshaping everything. If you think this was shocking, wait until you see how AI is taking over the world. Click on the next video now before it's too late, or watch the full series from Stone Age to Artificial Intelligence in my channel.